99.2% of positive affirmations are weak, especially the I am affirmations. I watched 20 hours of these daily affirmations and I couldn't bring myself to repeat any of them because the words made me feel like I'm begging the universe. Like, please, I'm worthy. Please, abundance flows to me. That's not reprogramming, that's groveling. This simulation does not respond to begging, it responds to commands. Programmers pull up what's called a command prompt. It's not called an affirmation prompt. Programmers don't type, "Oh great CPU who art so multi-threaded, when you feel like it, no rush, do the thing." No. Programmers type commands. For the next 10 minutes, you are the programmer. You are not affirming, you are not vibing, we are not manifesting, you are installing. I'm going to speak, you are going to repeat out loud or in your head, I don't care which, but you are going to mean it. Every word. Because the part of your brain that runs on autopilot, the NPC code pre-installed in your head, it's been keeping you an NPC for decades. You are running pre-installed programming, going on quests for other people, fearing things you do not need to fear. You are waking up, running code, going to sleep, repeat. You are not here to be an NPC. You are here to be the main character you signed up to play. You chose this difficult setting, you chose this body, this timeline, this set of challenges, because you knew you could beat this level. You know you have potential. You have power. Delete every doubt you have. Install faithless courage. Courage which requires no faith, no proof, nothing. Install courage that decides right here, right now, you will delete every bit of code pre-programmed into your skull by NPCs. You will overwrite that bloatware with main character mode, and you will execute that code daily. Today, 3 rounds, each one reprograms your subconscious mind at a deeper level. First round, identity, uninstalling all of the bloatware. Second round, power, running the freshly installed apps. Third round, action. Play this game like the main character you are. Round 1, identity. Repeat, I am willing to be the villain in someone else's playthrough if that is the price of being the main character in my own playthrough. I am the main player. I am the programmer. I am not my past. My past is a level I completed. I am not my fears. My fears are obstacles designed to test whether I'm ready for the next quest. I am not my father's expectations. I am not my mother's limitations. I am not the person they told me I was. I am the one who allocates my skill tree. When I change what I believe, I change what the simulation renders. I am not here by accident. I chose to be here. I chose this difficulty setting because I can handle it. I am the main character of my story. I am capable of more than anyone has ever seen for me, including myself. I am becoming the main character of my life. Round 2. Power. This is the part where most people get uncomfortable, because deep down they don't believe they deserve power. The old code tells them ambition is selfish, or wanting more makes you greedy. That's not morality, that's bloatware. Pre-installed code installed to keep you an NPC. Delete it. Install the truth. The simulation wants players with ambition. Players with a push, players who test the edge of what's possible. You did not log into this simulation to play small. The people who changed the world, every single one of them, had to override this exact pre-programming first. You are on their path. You walk the path of legends. The The simulation does not judge, it does not push, it does not reward, it reflects. Repeat, if I walk into a room believing I don't belong there, the simulation renders rejection. If I walk into that same room knowing I belong, the simulation renders respect. I am someone who belongs in the room, in this life, in this game. The simulation is neutral. It gives me exactly what I expect. Therefore, I expect more. I expect respect, not because I am entitled to it, but because I respect others. I expect doors to open, not because I'm lucky, because I am walking towards them with intention. I expect to win, not because winning is guaranteed, because I look for ways to win and act on them. Round 3. Action. Repeat. Today I take one action the NPC version of me would have avoided. Today I say the thing the old NPC in me would only have whispered. Today I make the call, send the message, take the step, burn the bridge that needs burning. The simulation respects commitment and commands. When I move, the path appears. I do not wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action. I do not wait for the right time. The right time is a story told by people who never started. I start now. I trust myself because I've taken the actions that prove I can trust myself. I am building momentum that compounds every day, every decision, every time I choose the main player over the NPC. I am no longer waiting for my life to start. It started the moment I decided it started. I am the main character. I am the programmer. I am the one who decides what happens next. End affirmations. You must repeat these dark psychology-based affirmations daily. Why? Your old programming, the NPC code, it took years to install. Installed by parents, teachers, bosses, every person who ever told you to be realistic, to lower your expectations, to be grateful for what you've got. Stay humble, just be yourself. It all took decades to install. You do not delete decades of programming in 10 minutes. You come back tomorrow and the day after. You say these words until they stop feeling like someone else's words. You keep reprogramming your mind until the words "I am the main character" feel more natural to you than when you say, "I'm not sure I'm ready." Delete your doubt. Uninstall the NPC bloatware. Install your main character code. Run it.